Hi, I'm Hillary Shine, and I've got good news, Killeen. Summer is almost here, which means so is the fun. Here are some highlights of what's to come. The Celebrate Killeen Festival packed in the fun last weekend, and lots of local talent was on display. One talented choir sent this our way.
Good news, Killeen!
Thank you to Kingdom Life Church Choir, and thanks to all the groups, vendors, volunteers, and attendees that made this year's festival a huge success. I got an all-access pass to the Family Aquatic Center last week as finishing touches are being put on the pools, so they'll be ready for opening weekend. The camera came along so I could give you a sneak peek. Check this out. Well, we're here on top of the world at the Family Aquatic Center at Lions Club Park, and I'm here with Juliana Baxter, who is the
Aquatic Supervisor for the city.
And you've been here how long?
This is my 7th year here this year.
And big things are happening at the park, I see. What's going on?
We're doing a capital improvement plan for the plaster, some facility renovations, a lot of pump room maintenance, so it's very exciting this year.
And it's going to be ready in time to open when?
We will be open Memorial Day weekend.
So we've made it back down to earth. And so now we're closer to where the action really is happening. So what are we looking at going on here?
So we are doing a plaster project right now. This is part of the plaster renovation where they are stripping the entire bottom of the pool and then they relay the plaster down. And we want to make sure that all of our patrons are safe this year.
So once they finish this part, that's when the water comes back?
Yes, so after this, we put the water back in and we get going ready for season.
So this is the lap pool? What do you officially call it?
This is the competition pool. This is a 25-meter long pool, and we use this for swim lessons, lifeguard training, all sorts of activities over here.
And tell me more about swim lessons. We offer those in the summer with the city, right?
We do. We have one of the biggest programs in the state of Texas, actually. We do 5 different sessions, 2 morning and a night, and we offer ages 6 months to 99 years old. So something for everything.
And why is it so important that kids learn to swim?
So that accidents don't happen and that we keep everyone safe.
And this was the first part of the park that was completed, right?
This was the first pool in the facility.
There is water in the pool.
You are the first person that's been in the pool, so.
Yay, it's an exclusive. So we're getting backstage access here. Where are we headed?
We're going to the pump room. The pump room is where all of the magic happens for an aquatic facility.
So tell me about these giant things.
Well, what you're looking here on the left-hand side is our plunge filter, and on the right-hand side, this is our leisure pool filters. So there's 2 actually sand filters. We run a sand system, and what the sand does is it picks up microbes and oil and dirt that people bring into the facility, and this is how we keep the pool sanitized and clean. So,
and these run all the time?
All year long, 365 days, and they don't ever get shut off. So it was time to do something this year.
So these are the workhorses that really make this all possible?
All of it. They do a lot of the work over here.
All right, so here in just a few days, there's going to be how many lifeguards manning this pool?
We hire 100 seasonal staff every year.
So. And they're mostly kids, right?
Yeah, mostly 16 to 18-year-olds.
So it's kind of their first summer job, and you were telling me earlier it's really gratifying that you get to kind of watch them grow up.
Absolutely.
So you've got some that come back every summer?
Every year. There's been one of my staff has come here since the park opened.
So you've got a good crew of kids, and they're learning job skills and having some fun for the summer, it sounds like.
They do, and they get the municipal experience out of it as well.
So tell us what people need to know when they head out to the water park for opening weekend or throughout the summer.
So you have to be 13 to enter the facility by yourself. You are not allowed to bring any outsiders food or drink. Otherwise, we offer concessions made by Mama Soul.
And to ride the slides, you have to be
48 inches.
So you made it. Well, thank you so much for having us out here today. It's been a super cool time to get to see kind of the background of what really makes this park run. So thank you so much. And I look forward to a big, busy summer for you.
Absolutely.
It's almost open. Special Memorial Day weekend hours for the Family Aquatic Center are Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., Sunday from 1 to 6:30 p.m., and Monday from 11 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. It's closed Tuesday through Friday, then reopens for daily hours the rest of the summer, June 2nd. Daily passes are $5 for children ages 4 to 16 and seniors ages 55 and over, and $7 for adults ages 17 to 54. Long Branch Pool will also open for Memorial Day weekend, Saturday through Monday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. It opens for regular season hours June 2nd. Day passes are $2 for youth and seniors and $3 for adults. Also at Long Branch Park, the Spray Park is open free daily from 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. The Family Aquatic Center and Long Branch Pool offer season passes and can be rented for special events. Summer is a great time to learn to swim, and the city is offering swim lessons for all ages. 2-week sessions are $45 and scheduled throughout the summer. Morning and evening times are available, so make the time to give your little ones swimming skills they'll have for a lifetime. More information on all things aquatic is available at KilleenTexas.gov/swim. Memorial Day is May 28th, and it's important that we honor it as a day of remembrance for the military men and women who gave their lives in service to the United States. The Area Veterans Advisory Committee is hosting the annual Memorial Day ceremony Monday, May 28th at 10 a.m. at the Central Texas State Veterans Cemetery. Texas Land Commissioner George P. Bush and Major General J.T. Thompson will give remarks, followed by the traditional wreath-laying and 21-gun salute. The public is encouraged to attend. Please set aside time this Memorial Day weekend to honor our late heroes for their service and sacrifice. In honor of Memorial Day, city offices will be closed Monday, but emergency services and trash collection will run without interruption. All offices reopen for normal hours May 29th. It's National Public Works Week, which is the perfect time to highlight the great work of our Public Works Department. The department is made up of the Engineering, Environmental Services, Solid Waste, Transportation, and Water and Sewer divisions. Hundreds of dedicated employees work tirelessly every day maintaining roads and water and sewer infrastructure, removing trash, keeping rights-of-way mowed, and waterways flowing. They don't often get enough credit for the significant impact they have on our quality of life, so it's my pleasure to say thank you for their great work in our community. The weather is heating up, and so is our schedule of events. Keep up with the latest at KilleenTexas.gov and on Facebook, YouTube, and Spectrum Cable Channel 10. Join me next time for more Good News Killeen.